Hello everybody, it's True Detective here, and here's my new recording setup, the Rode NT2000 with a reflection shield. And here's some example audio from this. It's a whole lot better than what I used to have. Hello everybody, today a little unboxing of a reflection shield. This is used so you can get better recordings with condenser microphones. And I'm a rapper and I'm going all out into this stuff. This has an effect on the recording. Here's how it sounds with a lot of effects applied onto it, like how I would actually use my voice when I rap. And let's try a little black metal growl as the bonus.
Yes, how it would sound with a black metal growl. Yeah! Come and get it, True Detective, hit the subscribe buttons.
Yeah. Here it is. Well, that's what it looks like, this foam. And you can adjust the height of the actual unit with it. Your mic is then screwed over here, and this is screwed onto the mic stand.